What's up, MarineMax friends and family? This is Thatcher Smalley at Grand Lake MarineMax. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ATX 22 Type S. As you can see, the ATX model is going to have your pickle fork front, which is going to give you a ton of great bow area for all your friends and family out on the water. Making our way along the exterior, you're going to see this has a pretty simple but very sharp looking white hull with black accents, or black hull with white accents, however you want to look at it. Making our way to the transom, you're going to see this has the TAPS 3T surf system, which kicks up a great wave and is very versatile. Gives you the options of skiing, wakeboarding, as well as surfing. You're also going to have your silent surf exhaust, which is going to put all your exhaust fumes down in the water, keep them out of your rider's face, as well as make it safer hanging out here back in the transom. Making our way up to the swim platform, you're going to see this is going to have a great non-slip area with the sea deck, a nice grab handle, as well as your rear view camera so you can see your riders or record while you're out there surfing. Making our way up in towards the cockpit, you have a nice sun pad area. You're going to have adjustable loungers here in the back. Kick these up for you. It's going to give you a nice lounge area here at your sun pad on both sides. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to notice the vast amount of seating. Give you a ton of great seating options for all your friends and family out on the water. Be able to pull a lot of people out here. Here in the cockpit, you're going to have your wet sound speakers, a ton of grab handles, a ton of cup holders. Here at your tower, you're going to have 4 wet sound speakers. We're going to give you a great sound while you're out on the water. Wireless charging, as well as your Smart Wings controls, which is going to give you the ability to control your cruise, surf settings, as well as your audio settings here on your right side. Here you're going to have your smaller Taiga Clear. You're also going to have your manual fill buttons. Makes it super easy. Fully adjustable helm seat. Nice glove box, be able to store all of your keys, wallets, etc. And here at your bow area, similar to the cockpit, you're going to have a ton of great grab handles. Gives you a nice safe area here at your bow. Ton of cup holders, speakers, and like always, a ton of great seating options here at the bow of your boat of this ATX. Thank you for tuning in to my walkthrough video on this ATX 22 Type S. It's a great boat with a ton of great features. And if you like this boat, feel free to contact me directly, Thatcher Smalley, 918-541-6588. And if you like any other boats, feel free to contact your local MarineMax. Thank you.